Let's go.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You find me in the club, bottle full of bug.
Yo, happy birthday nga pala sa'yo kay Neng. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Junel.
Happy birthday, Junel Ivan Villanueva. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Junel. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Junel. Wish ko sa'yo more birthday to comes. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo at nawa pagkaloob ni Lord, yung matagal nyo na inaantay ni Shan. I know, ibibigay yun sa inyo in the right time. Huwag mo na asarin si Shan at mahirap pag may toyo siya. Okay, and then happy birthday! Nawa, maging masaya ang kaarawan mo, nakasama ang family mo sang, at maging masaya ka. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, paring Neng. Wish ko lang sana maging masaya yung birthday mo at alam ko na magiging masaya kasi kumpleto tropa. Happy birthday, pare.
Happy birthday, Junel. Iwasan mo na ang iyong pangbubuli kay Ate Shan para hindi na lagi pinotopak. Enjoy ka sa iyong birthday kahit medyo palyado. Basta, enjoy ka na lang tayo.
Ayun na! Happy birthday, bully boy! Bully! Ang mga toyo, hindi mo kakayanin, pare. Happy birthday sa'yo. Parang Junel. At naway mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. At sana'y huwag tuyoin ang iyong partner. Mahirap pag tinoyo. Ayun na nga. Thank you, pare, sa laging suporta sa tropa. Andiyan ka palagi. Thank you, pare. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, paring Junel. Ingat ka palagi. And God bless you. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Tito Junel.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Junel.
Happy birthday, mahal. So, ayun. Thank you for everything. Sa lahat-lahat. Sa pangunawa, sa mahabang pasensya. At, alam ka naman kahit anong galit ko, mahal mo pa rin ako. So, anyway, enjoy your day. Pinilit lang talaga nila ako mag-video. Dapat di ako mag-video. So, yun. Happy birthday ulit. Tandaan mo lang kahit anong away yung pinagdaanan natin, mahal na mahal kita. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, my man. God bless. Gcash mo na yan.